Hello guys, it's day 3 of posting every day for 100 days and seeing if I've improved or not. So I couldn't record today because some people didn't want me to record, so I have to it's also their privacy. So I didn't record. So I got these 2 shots in from my net like before my club training. So I'll show you the I'll show you the 2 videos. So here's the first video. It's a cover drive. And here's the next video. And basically, this was my day, and I'll see you all for day 4.